a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond and welcome back to my channel. For this look, you'll need Shine and Jam, a crochet hook, a wrap tail comb, and we used 4 of these Bobby Boss locks, which were 18 inches, and then we used 2 packs of this spring twist crochet hair. And I actually ended up needing more spring twist hair, and so I also used another brand of hair that I just had left over. So it was another brand of spring twist hair. Altogether, we used about 3 packs of the spring twist hair total. So I started with just plaiting her whole head in singles. I did a total of about 63 to 65 plaits. So that's about how many locks she had. So these were supposed to be soft locks, but when I started doing them, I realized her natural hair was basically just about as long as the locks. So I had to wrap the hair all the way down to the ends to hide all of her natural hair, instead of just being able to only wrap it halfway. So because of that, they sort of look like regular faux locks. So I don't know what to really even call these. In the beginning, I did try folding up her plait so that I only have to wrap the spring twist hair halfway, but it didn't look right to me because I could see the bump, where the natural hair was folded. So that didn't work. And then I tried wrapping the Bobby Boss locks around her braid to hide her braid, but then I felt I was messing up the look of the lock, because I had to basically untwist it or unravel it just to get it to wrap around properly. And then I also was afraid that it wouldn't take long for the braid to start sticking out of the lock. So since that didn't work either, I just went ahead and just wrapped the spring twist hair all the way down to the ends. It took a lot longer than I expected, but I still liked how it turned out. If your hair is a lot shorter, then of course you would not need to wrap the spring twist hair all the way to the bottom. So I used 2 pieces of the spring twist hair for each individual lock. And so if your hair is shorter, then you'll only need 1 piece. Or if you're folding up your hair, then you'll only need 1 piece for each individual lock. I started with crocheting the Bobby Boss locks, and I put her braid in through the loop to secure it at the root. And I did the entire remaining front of her hair like this first, so that I wouldn't have to keep going back and forth from wrapping it and then having to crochet the locks. Okay guys, so when I start wrapping the spring twist hair, I'm wrapping around the lock and the braid both together. And I try to make sure I wrap it securely at the root so that it doesn't unravel. And then when I get to the bottom, you'll see a little later, when I get to the bottom, I just palm roll it with in between my hands. I didn't use any nail glue or anything like that. Although you can use a drop of nail glue at the ends if you want. I had started spraying Got to Be Freeze spray at the very tip of it, and then palm rolling it, but it started making my hands and fingers really sticky, so I just didn't do that. And I think it'll be fine. I think as long as you're palm rolling it good and as long as you're wrapping it tight at the bottom, it should be good and not come out. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to stop talking and just allow you guys to watch the rest of the video. Make sure to leave a comment below what you think. If you liked it or enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I do put out videos every week. And if you got this far, then drop a heart emoji in the comments. You guys be blessed, stay safe, and stay filled with love and peace.